What's up guys, Wisco Tricks here, and I'm going to show you how to force an app to rotate when it's not allowing you to do so. So you have this app, or this button, and it's supposed to force your app to rotate, portrait auto rotate, and it's not doing so. It's not allowing you. So what you're going to want to do is go to the Play Store, download this app, Force Rotation. Go ahead and install that. Alright, once the app is installed, open it. And then enter your age, which is whatever, doesn't really matter. And then you're going to want to give it permissions so you can actually use, it'll allow you to force rotate apps. Then press start. Alright, and then press apps, allow notifications, and then you can choose which apps you want to force to press the plus. Okay, I'll want to rotate the Reddit app. Alright, you can add up to 5 apps. If you want premium, I think you could add more or unlimited. So I'll do landscape and close those. And as you can see here, it's forcing the app to rotate. This is it. Problem fixed. If you ever want to change it back, just choose the app and then go to default. It's back to normal. Thank you for watching, guys. Good afternoon.